Alrighty guys, so this is my 2016 GMC Terrain. I just purchased it on the 27th. These are my headlights at the moment. On the video, honestly, it shows like that they're really bright. But honestly, in real time, this is garbage. I can barely see about 20 feet ahead of me, and it's not even that dark here. So the first modification that's getting done to this car are lights. Like honestly, right now it looks a lot brighter than what it is right now. It's really not. So I'm gonna order these either LED or HID lights, because I can't be having this. I need to see. I can barely see anything in front of me. Like, this is bad. So enjoy this installation. And today, told you guys I was gonna get the difference. And right up here, fog ring LED kit. Look pretty simple. I'm gonna go install them right now. LED side, halogen side, and I'm gonna stand right in the middle. Which one do you think is brighter? And it's really plug and play, honestly. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please give a like. Let me know what you guys think. This coronavirus has been messing with me. These videos have been recorded way before this video was actually released, and I was actually working at the time, so these videos are going to be helped out by you guys. If you guys like my content, I'm really hate doing this and asking for this, but if you guys want to support the channel, link's going to be down in the description below with my Patreon, my Cash App, and my PayPal. Donations would be exceptionally awesome. I hate asking for this because I like working for my own stuff, but if you guys enjoyed this video, give a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the LED lights and the differences in it, because it's an extreme difference in my eyes, and my eyes are pretty bad, so it helps. So peace out guys, thank you.